My people, una good evening. Oh. How una dey? How una dey? How una dey? How una dey? Everybody, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, anywhere you dey. I greet everybody. This one na Nancy comedy show. Who say hi? No let her take see am. Make you comot for my channel o, but una make you subscribe. God go dey bless una more and more. God go dey bless una. I love una. I know say many people go say this woman wetin dey happen? Which one this one dey come? Na me, Nancy comedy show. And e no complete with I no get part two. I no get part two. I go scatter everywhere. Everywhere go burst. My comedy, if you lis ten, you go dey roll for where you dey sef. You go say which kind woman be dis? Like I wan dey use that dey entertain. Na entertainment show be dis. Na comedy show. Hey, Nancy show. See matter. In fact, the way people dey happy say I dey on YouTube. Oh my goodness. I no know say people love me reach like this. Oh. I no know say people love me reach like this. I'm proud of you people. I'm proud of you. People love me like this. God, thank you. Thank you. As I dey waka dey go for road, like someone my woman you come here. He say, madam, sister, abeg wait. Na you dey say dey do Nancy comedy show? I say yes. He say, no wonder, because I know say na that day dey call you. Na make me say make I ask. So na you? I say yes. He say, keep it up. He said, you really try. I don't listen to her. I laugh. I want die. I say, really? He say, yes. So he say, mama, I go subscribe to your YouTube channel. Before you know, this woman don't subscribe. Bang. I say, I dey surprised. I shock. As she dey tell me that, so another one you still come. They be two like that. Waiting. He say, now this mama they do that Nancy comedy show. Really? What be the YouTube channel? I just tell them, say, na Nancy comedy show. Before you know, two of them don't subscribe. I just say for my this thing. Say, as I enter and say, so two people, no, they don't subscribe. I say, so fast. When I really like me, you say, mama, no, we too like you. We love you. Anytime you do on live video, we go dey watch you. Even if you upload, we go watch am. He say, mama, we dey with you. I say, I was very grateful, very happy. They tell each other, they go say, that mama they do like YouTube. Oh. That sister they do YouTube. Oh. So people they call me, say my phone, say if you want vote here, you want scatter. We hear say you they do Nancy comedy show. Na truth? I say yes, na truth. Oh. What be your channel? I tell them, say na Nancy comedy show. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Before you know all of them, they subscribe. I say, that's what they tell people. Something if I dey waka for road, like so they draw me for back and front. Mama, what be your YouTube channel? What be your YouTube channel? Like so I dey tell them they go. For una me never subscribe, una try, una go subscribe, because tori dey, matter dey, many joke. So you no go know anything they do for us. You go they laugh. I don't know say people like comedy like this. So if you see the way they rush me, say mama we dey wait for your comedy. Say that first one you do, they laugh, they tire. Even when so they talk, me may do as if I dey laugh. I dey laugh. I say, well, I don't worry. Tomorrow I go still do the same thing like this. Tomorrow I go still do the same thing like this. If I just see Richard bang, I just still do one. Till entertain una. This evening, I say make I come out so when I go buy something for road. I saw some boys just still see me. Mama, sister. Are you the one that is doing that Nancy comedy show? I said, yes, I'm the one. He said, wow, what is the name of the YouTube? I want to subscribe to. Where is it? I want to subscribe to it. I told them, Nancy comedy show. Immediately, even before I move my feet, those people have already subscribed. Oh my God, I was very grateful. In fact, I don't know how to explain it. I was full of joy in me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Is there anything like this? I don't know. People really want to see me or comment. I told them this is just the beginning. Watch and see. Watch and see. Oh, it can sweet me. It dey sweet me. Oh, it dey sweet me. For those that don't know, it dey sweet me. Hey! Subscribe to my YouTube channel because if you not subscribe, you dey miss. You miss a lot. You miss a lot. That's why I enter one shop today. I say may I buy something. I wan buy something. Even before I tell the woman, say, Madam, I need so thing like this. Like some people surround me for inside that shop. Oh, Mama, sister, now you dey do that Nancy comedy show? I say yes, na me. Oh, hey, Mama, abeg, make I subscribe to your YouTube channel. I call tell them. See the name of the YouTube channel. Before you know that they don't they subscribe. I say, wow. They say, Mama, no, we too love you. If you not watch your comedy, now wait till we gain. I tell them, say, if I not do comedy more, now watch, wait till I gain. Yeah, I see the hot. Everywhere now, pepper soup. Everywhere now, man. If I not do comedy, may go make people laugh. Wait till I gain nothing. They say, Mama, we dey with you. I tell them, say, I dey with you too. My lovely people, my wonderful people. I love you all. I just want to do this short video. I love you. I love you. I cherish you people. Bye.